Get into the 2023 Hyundai Tucson. Take your daily drive to a higher level of comfort and quality with this well-built, well-equipped Tucson. Standard high-tech touchscreen infotainment, standard driver assistance features, and an upscale feel make this stylish compact crossover stand out from the crowd. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, power liftgate, satellite radio, heated mirrors, power driver seat, alarm, heated front seat, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control. Quality blends beautifully with convenience in this remarkably well-designed Tucson. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.